Assalamu alaikum dear learners. You open on dream about correct preposition in time expression. Are you certain whether the issue say at Monday, on Monday, or for 2 years or since 2 years? Been due in this lesson for review of preposition in time expression. Hello, I am welcome everyone. This is Nazrul Islam. Today welcome to review preposition in time expression. I am sure you know why okay to learn the correct preposition is all over petition. So in this lesson I am going to give you few tips and then take state activate exercise to talk your memory about preposition of time. Must repeat the exercise several times until you get preposition right each time. By the end of your practice, you will have to feel necessary reflex to use this preposition correctly every time. So are you ready? Let's begin. Prepositions in time expression. Let's start a few tips. Let's begin with the preposition at. When CB usually use at whether precious time. For example, at 5:30, at noon, at sunrise. Also use at with any expression contained towards time and moment. For example, at that time, at the moment. We also use at special times of the year. For example, at Christmas, at Easter. We also say at night, during the night. And British English we also say at the weekend. We also say during the weekend, but American English they say on the weekend. Okay, moving among the preposition in and on. Use on which day and date. For example, on Monday, on 5th June. Also use on with any expression including odds, day and date. For example, on Independence Day, on that date. Looks at in. Use in when, month, season and year. For example, in January, in winter, in 1999. Okay, the couple of things to care with. The first thing is difference between in and within. For example, 5 days. When 5 days are over, whereas within 5 days means between now and 5 days from now. And among want to be careful way is the difference between one time and in time. One time means at the arranged time, at the specific time. In time means not too late. Okay. Moving on now to for, during, since and while. Use for a length of time. For example, for 2 hours, for 3 days. Use during with an activity. For example, during the speech, during the trip. We also use during or in when a period of time. For example, during the morning, during the day, during the month. We can also say in the morning, in the day, in the sky. Moving on to since. Since is used when the period of time in the past, and that means from that point until now. For example, since 9:30, since his arrival. And last point of here, while. Use while with an action with the verb. For example, while sleeping, or while I was sleeping. First preposition still look at here. Until and by. Until marks the end of an action. For example, I will be here until Wednesday, or she walked until midnight yesterday. By means before, no later than. For example, I will have finished the report by Wednesday, or by noon yesterday. We had been waiting for 3 hours. Okay, all do these tips. I posting an important, the real key to the simulation is all over repetition. So now going to the most important part of the lesson, which is exercises. Necessary are going to do, then you going to hear the sentence and incomplete sentence with the gap or gaps, the preposition. You need to find preposition and answer, do it out good, and then you will hear the correct answer with the preposition, and few must repeat the correct answer. For example, you will see and hear. We arrived 9 o'clock. Choose the preposition and say, we arrived at 9 o'clock. You will then see and hear correct answer. I recommend you can do all the exercises once and then come back and do them again several times until you can find every correct preposition without hesitation. Let's begin the exercises. Complete the following sentences with one of these prepositions: at, on, during, by, in, since, for, until, with, and while. Number 1. We woke up noon. We woke up at noon. Number 2. She became ill. Here, stay in the UK. She became ill during her stay in the UK. Number 3. She met him visiting Italy. She met him while visiting Italy. Number 4. They moved here 1912. They moved here in 1912. Number 5. She is being self-employment many years. She has been self-employment for many years. No more today. Stay alert, stay safe. Thank you for watching video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Love Bangladesh, live long Bangladesh. Bye now.